Rahim. Good morning. Senior 1, second revision video. I want to say two things. Firstly, I wanted to thank my administration of my schools, Mary Salam and the Queens, to help us to be with you on these videos. All the administration, we have a great teamwork. Secondly, please subscribe and like to encourage me to complete. Let's complete our revision. We are going to complete to solve model 1. The simplest form for model 1 for senior 1, it's page 90 or something like that. The simplest form for the expression sine x cosine x tan x plus sine x cosine x cotan x over sine sec. Firstly, we start to find sine x nothing to do with, and the cosine x nothing to do, but tan we have to write it sine over cosine, sine x over cosine x, right? Plus sine x cosine x. What about the cotan? It's a cosine x over sine x. And here we have sine x, and the sec is 1 over cosine x. From here we cancel the cosine together. So here up we have sine power 2 x. We have here sine power 2 x plus cancel the sine. Here cancel the sine with the sine. We have cosine power 2 x, and down we have sine over cosine, which is tan x without power 2, right? We don't have power 2 up. Yeah. Then sine power 2 plus cosine power 2 for the same angle is going to be 1 over tan x. And here 1 over 10 will be cotan x, which is the choice number A. Cotan x, which is choice number A. Next question. The value of x which satisfied the equation 5 sine x equals 12 cosine x. Firstly, we write here sine x over cosine x equal 12 over 5. If you look, we move the cosine under the sine, it will be sine over cosine, and move the 5 to the other side, it's going to be 12 over 5. What about sine over cosine? It's tan. Sine over cosine, it's going to be tan. So tan x will be 12 over 5. If you look here, the tan is positive in the sine and the cosine. He's telling that x belongs from 0 to pi. It means we are in the first and the second quadrant. You know that in the second quadrant the tan is negative, but the tan positive here. So we are in the first quadrant. Take care of the quadrants. So we start to make shift tan 12 over 5. Shift tan 12 over 5. It's going to be 67 degrees, 22 minutes and 48 seconds, and it's choice number D. Next question. AE is a median in the triangle ABC. AE is a median in a triangle. Concentrate in this question because it depends on vectors, and we didn't take so much questions on vectors, and the vectors needs more questions, needs more ideas. If AE is a median of a triangle ABC and M is in centroid of the triangle. Centroid means the point of intersection of medians. Centroid means the point of intersection of medians, okay? So we have AE as median. So let's draw the triangle ABC or XYZ. He gave it to me, ABC. Yes. ABC triangle, and M is point of intersection of medians. Our M is the centroid point of your medians. He gave me A, E median, A, E our median, and this is B, and this is C, and this is M. He gave me M. A is 5 and 4, and M is 7 and 8. M is 7 and 8. Okay, look carefully here. If you remember from middle to the point of intersection of medians, divide the median into 1 to 2 from the base, into 1 to 2 from the base, into 2. So it's not vectors, it's going to be point of division, the lesson of point of division of medians. Point of division in general, point of division is the ratio here 1 to 2. So how can I get the point E? How can I get the point E? What do we have here? We have a table, and we put here A and here E. Can you see that? And because we have A up, so we start putting 5 and 4. This is A, contents of A. 5 and 4. And also we have E as X and Y because we wanted to get E. What did he ask about? He asked about finding AE vector, okay? It's a vectors and the division, wow. So AE, from A, its division point, it's 2 and 1. From the ratio between AE or AM and ME is going to be 2 to 1. And if you look at here, the lesson of point of division is going to say that the point of division is 7 and 8. So I'm not going to find the point of division, I'm going to find E. So 5 times 1, it's 5, plus 2 times X, it's 2X. All of this over 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. This going to be 7. Can you see that? Yes, 21. So 5 plus 2. X will be 21. Then the 2X will be 21 minus 5, it's a 16. Then X will be 8. So the first coordinate of the point E is going to be 8. Nextly, to find Y. Look at your table. It's 2 times Y plus 4 times 1. It's 2Y plus 4 times 1, which is 4, over the sum, which is 3. We'll give 8. We'll give 8 because the point M, the Y coordinates equals 8. So finding the Y, try to multiply 3 times 8, 24. Then 2Y plus 4 equals 24. And then 2Y will be 20. And the Y is going to be 10. So the point E coordinates is going to be 8 and 10. 8 and 10. And the point A was 5 and 4. A was 5 and 4. He's asking to find AE vector. He asked to find AE vector, right? He's asking to find AE vector, yeah? AE vector, it's going to be E minus A as 2 vectors. It's going to be E minus A, which is E, 8 and 10 minus 5 and 4. 8 minus 5, it's a 3. 10 minus 4, it's a 6. So our answer will be number C choice. Next question. Number 20 said that we have determinant equal 5 and the G minus T equals 7. Find the third determinant. Okay, let me first get a relation from the first determinant. You multiply A times D, so we have AD minus CB. It's 5. It's 5. This is the first relation we have. Second relation we have, it's given already. It's D minus C equals 7. Can you see that? Let me change the color. Now find the third relation. Look at the third relation and start to find. Multiply the main diagonal. It's D times A plus 2. Now we're going to distribute, but next step. Minus C times B plus 2. And this is our value which you're going to find. So please distribute the D and the C inside the brackets. Sorry. It's going to be A D plus 2D. We distribute the D inside. Minus B C minus 2C. Right? Now we have AD minus BC or CB, whatever. It's 5. So we cancel these and put 5. Plus 2D minus 2C plus 2D minus 2C. Let me take it easily. Take it step by step. It's going to be 5 plus, and take the 2 common factor. It's going to be D minus C. What about D minus C from up? D minus C equals 7. So it's 5 plus 2 times 7. It's 5 plus 14. It's going to be 19, which is the choice number D. Next question. The general solution of the equation tan 5x over tan 90 plus 4x equals negative 1. Oh, let me revise with you the general solution. How can I find the general solution of an equation? It's going to be tan 5x over tan 90 plus 4x equals negative 1. How can I get it? First of all, let me see the first one. It's tan 5x equal negative tan 90 plus 4x. We multiply it up. Okay? Look, tan 90 plus which quadrant from the previous term? Math considered as one thing, nothing finished studied. No, we complete. So from the previous term, tan 90 plus in the second quadrant, right? So the tan is going to be negative. In the second quadrant, Aztec, tan is negative. So negative times negative, so the result was going to be positive. So the negative outside is cancelled. Then 90 is evil, so change the tan into cotan. So it's cotan 4x. So now tan 5x equal cotan 4x. Another time to say how can I get this to help you to remember from the previous term. So tan 90 plus 4x, and 90 plus in the second quadrant, the tan is going to be negative, and we have a negative outside, so it's going to be positive. Negative times negative. What about the 90 plus? You know that the 90 plus or 270 plus are evil numbers, so it changes the tan into cotan. Now, if you have tan 5x equal cotan 4x, you know that if the tan equal the cotan, then the sum of the two angles is going to be 90. Take care. So we have 5x plus 4x. This is going to be, concentrate senior 1. It's going to be 90 plus by n. If you remember, the tan only we use the plus, and in the tan we use plus, not minus, and we use by n, not 2 by n, because it's it needs just to have a round, so half circle, half round. By n only to complete its circle, to complete its turn. So 5x plus 4x, it's going to be 9x. And here 9x equal 90 plus by is going to be 180. And he asking about the answer with the degree, by the way. So we don't deal with radian, we just deal with degree. Divide by 10, so x will be divide by 9, sorry, it's going to be 10 plus divided by 9, it's a 20n, and this is a choice number B. This is your answer. Next question, I think it's 22. A sine x, A cosine x, and A tan x We have a determinant has a triangle as zeros, just like that. So the results of this determinant is going to be the main diagonal product, the main diagonal elements product. So it's going to be, the result is going to be a sine x times a cosine x times a tan x. This is all the results of our determinant. It's equal negative a power 3 cosine power 2 x plus 8. He gave it to me, right? A times a is going to be a power 3. Sine times cosine times tan, it's going to be sine x cosine x sine over cosine. The tan equals sine over cosine, equal this part. So it's going to be a to the power 3 sine power 2x minus, no, plus, we move the negative a power 3 cosine, move it inside with positive, a power 3 cosine power 2x, it's going to be 8. What about taking a power 3 as common factor? Yes, it's going to be sine power 2x plus cosine power 2x. Sine power 2 plus cosine power 2 for any angle is going to be 1. Now we have a power 3 times 1. It's going to be a power 3 equal 8. Then a will be 2. Add the choice number what? Number D. Choice number D. So we choose number D. Next question. 2x plus matrix 2x plus matrix equal oh, he asking to find the x. It's easy question to help you to solve. It's going to be O, which is 0 0 0 0 matrix, minus negative 2 negative 2 4 and 0, and this is 2x, not only x. Let's find the result and then divide by 2. 0 minus negative 2, it's going to be 2 2 negative 1 and 0. Divide by 2 or multiply by half to be half x. It's going to be half times 2 1 and negative half and 1 and 0. So this is our result, which is going to be choice number D. Sorry, I make something wrong. Oh, this is 4, sorry. This is 4 and here negative 4. Yeah, but it's okay. 4 times negative 4, it's negative 2. This will be negative 2. But also choice number D. I just remember it because I solved it before. Next question. This is K, A, and this is B, and if they are perpendicular, he's going to ask about K. What are the relation between the two perpendicular? The two perpendicular, their slopes equal negative 1. Or also, you can write, you can multiply the outside minus the inside equal 1. K times negative 1, negative K. Negative K. Minus 2 times 2. It's going to be 0. Another time. K times negative 1 minus. If the two vectors are perpendicular, just like that, we start to make x1, x2 plus y1, y2 equals 0. We take x1, x2 اللي هي 2k plus y1, y2 اللي هي negative 2 equals 0. Okay, it's going to be 2k equal to, then k will be 1. It's choice number A. Sorry, the previous one was about the parallel. Okay, if you took the first and the last, it will be in the parallel. Here we have 27, question number 27. We have determinant multiplied by matrix plus identity determinant is going to be 3012 transpose. Okay, let me see how can I solve this. Find the value of the first determinant. 3 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. It's going to be negative 1 multiplied by x0 to y and z plus. The I will be 1, 1, 0, 0, the identity. Equal, the transpose will be 3, 0, 1, 2. Right? So he is asking to find x and y and z. Okay, let me firstly, inside the negative here, it will be negative x, negative 2y, and 0 and negative z. Plus 1, 0, 0, 1 equals 3, 0, 1, 2. Okay? One step by step. It's going to be negative x plus 1. And here will be negative 2y. And here 0. And here negative z plus 1. All of these equal with, equate between this and, equate between this and 3, 1, 0, and 2. It's going to be negative x plus 1 equals 3. Then negative x will be 2. Then x is going to be negative 2. Right? And negative 2y equals 1. So the y will be negative half. 3, negative z plus 1 will be 2, then negative z will be 1, and z will be negative 1. If you multiply xyz, it's negative 2 times negative half times negative 1, negative 2, negative half, z will be 1. Look here, negative z1, negative z plus, here is 1, 2, 3, 0. Let me revise. Negative 2y equals 1. And negative z plus 1 equals. So the result will be negative 1, which is choice number B. The next question will be equal 0 and 3, and C 3 and 0. A lies third distance between B and C. Look carefully. If you have a straight line, just like that, and we put here A in the third distance, so this is B and this is C, and the A will be in the third distance. We have another point here. So A third distance, so this will be 1 and this will be 2. Then A divides BC in the ratio 1 to 2 from internally. So we have a table just like that. This will be B and this will be C, and B is going to be 0 and the 3, and C will be 3 and 0, and the division from B is 1 to 2. I think we can find A so easily. It's going to be 0 plus 3, if you multiply here, over 3. It's going to be 1. And here 6 plus 0 over 3, it's going to be 2. So your choice is going to be 1 and 2 as A. It's 1 and 2. It's choice number A. Next question. If you have norm 2KA equal norm negative 2A. Firstly, if you have the K inside, it's going to be the result 2K equal 2. No, it's not 2. It's positive 2K equal positive or negative 2. Because out of the norm, it's going to be positive. And because the K is inside, so the result is going to be positive directly. Then K is going to be positive or negative 1, which is choice number C. Thank you for listening and thank you for solving with me. I hope you got something to understand. give me questions. I'm going to answer you. If you need any help, I'm here. Ask for lessons or videos you need more. I'm going to solve another revision later on as soon as possible. Thank you, Senior 1. See you later. Miss you a lot.